Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a wonderful new year, and sorry I haven't put out any videos for a few days, but I was tired. And then did you all see what happened at the Monday night football game? It got me to thinking, and that was, I don't know how to explain how I felt about it, but it was a terrible situation. And I was thinking maybe about taking some CPR courses, because I took them years ago, but I think they've changed somewhat. And I don't know, it just really kind of affected me. Stuff shouldn't be happening to people that got the medicine. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my fresh food haul for the week, plus a few things to add to the prepper pantry. So we will get started. This haul cost $91.06 for everything. Some things have gone up, like the eggs and such. Well, I think pretty much everything has gone up a little bit. So anyways, we shall get started. I got some Life multigrain cereal because I was kind of having a hankering for some Chex Mix, so I'll put this up and divvy it out for a Chex Mix because I have the pretzel sticks that I've bought before and stuff, so we'll make some of that. It's for snacks. I got some of the bagels that I like real well, but I got the mini ones, and these are really good to make breakfast sandwiches with. You can use bacon and egg, or bacon and sausage, or do like little omelets. I have the little round things that you can do your eggs in the skillet. So yeah, these are good. Something different for my husband to have in his lunches. Or actually the breakfast part of the food he takes to work. I got another bag of squash, yellow squash, and zucchini. Got a lot in there. I got a couple of bell peppers. My bell pepper plant didn't like being in the house even with a grow light on it, so having to buy them again. I got some more of the Japanese sweet potatoes because I just love these things. Oh, the grapes. Okay, the grapes were, I think they were $5. It's expensive for fruit these days. I don't even think I've gotten to the grapes. I got some grapes. They were $5. The bell peppers were, I had to write all this down. I think they were like $1 a piece. The squash was $3.58. I got this good pasta, so I like to have a few of the higher end items, and it was $2 for the La Molisana. I don't know how you say that. I got some more of the late July jalapeno and lime chips, and they were $3. And I got some more of the nacho tortilla chips, and they were $2.55. And I made some cookies. I got about 5 dozen out of the recipe, so I took some to the neighbors, sent some to the base with my husband. I've been cooking for the neighbor. She's been really sick with that RSV. I got a bunch of parsley, and that was, I think, like $1.33, something like that. I got the Take and Bake shelf stable bread. These are the baguettes. This was $4. And I got the Take and Bake garlic bread, which is also shelf stable, and it was $4. And just to have that is shelf stable is worth the cost to me. I got some more of this Family Farm grown popcorn, and it was 99 cents. It's not, well, all popcorn is non-GMO. I don't know if you guys know that or not. And whole grain, non-GMO. I was looking to see if it had any weird stuff in it. Sea salt, natural butter flavor, natural beta carotene for color, and that's it. Popcorn and oil. So for a microwave popcorn, that's pretty good. I got my husband a couple of more of the vanilla and chamomile yogurts he likes, which really surprises me that he likes the chamomile in it. I got these tomatoes. I think they were $1.33. I got the eggs that I usually get. These were $2.49. They are now $2.99. Eggs are crazy. We all know that. I got this broccoli. It was $4.40. Crazy how vegetables are getting expensive. I got this whole grain pita, and it was $3.29. I got a bag of onions, and I didn't write down the cost for the onions. I think they were $3 or $4. They were expensive too. I got some cream cheese, and it was, I think, $3.19. Cream cheese is also expensive. I got some chicken legs. They were $2.99. I got the chicken wings that you see in a lot of my chicken wing videos. These are about $5. What? Yeah, $5. I'm going to make this for dinner tonight. It's a garlic pepper turkey tenderloin. There's 2 in here, and it was $6. And then I got a package of chicken breast, and it was $5. So is that everything? I think that is everything. I feel like I need to wash my hands now after touching that meat. So anyways, I wanted to touch base, share this weekly fresh food haul with you. I'm going to put the popcorn, the spaghetti, the shelf-stable bread, and the cereal in my preps, and the rest we will be eating through the week into next week. So see if I can get by without buying any fresh stuff next week. We'll see. I know I'll be good on bread. So anyways, you all take care. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and think about taking a CPR class. I think we're in a situation that we can be anywhere, anytime these days, and somebody have a medical emergency, and it may even our family members and our friends. So it may be a good idea to maybe check at the fire department and see if there is a CPR course you can take. So anyways, y'all take care, and I will see you in the next video.